Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use Digit to save for your first apartment. Are you planning to rent or buy your first apartment? Well, Digit can make saving for that big step a lot easier. All you gotta do is open the Digit app and create a new savings goal titled First Apartment. Enter the total amount that you want to save up for. That's for rent, or it could be for down payments, or it could just be for moving expenses. So go ahead and do that, and then you're gonna need to set a realistic deadline. Digit analyzes your income and spendings to automate small savings transfers, which helps you to build your funds steadily without disrupting your daily budget. You can adjust the savings pace anytime based on your financial situation. So monitor your progress anytime through the app dashboard. And once you've reached your goal, Digit makes it simple to withdraw your money and get moving. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart saving hacks with Digit. Like the video and ring that notification bell so you never miss another updates in the future. See you in the next one.